welcome back to my channel. This is Midwest Mama. I am here for my New Year grocery haul. We went to Target today, my husband and both of my daughters. We were kind of testing out my car to see if it was going to work, and luckily it did. So let's hope that it's not really bad what my car needs. I spent $332 and some change. I thought that would be drastically cheaper given that Christmas is over, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm going to turn you around and show you now what I got. So let's start here. Kayla picked out these loose jeans. They should work. I mean, they seem like they always shrink on her. She's got long legs, but those were $25. I have a book club at the end of the month, and this is the book that we are reading, Butcher and Blackbird by Bryn Weaver. I don't know. The sticker is covering it. Let me see here. Yes, by Bryn Weaver. It ended up being like $13.59. I got this mini tree collar. It was 50% off of the original price, so I don't know what it was. And then I found this little mini beauty advent calendar for $5. I don't know what's in it, so that'll be a surprise to me. Got some paper plates. We are completely out. 3 bags of steamed cauliflower. I only found one of my herb roasted chicken, so I'm going to have to order some from Walmart. A package of Parmesan shredded cheese. And my husband wanted to get the butternut squash in a bag. I don't know. We're going to see how that turns out. Got some. So the Target paper towels were $15, and so was Viva. So I don't know. That was a no-brainer. So I got another Downy Gentle, and this time I went with the scent Ocean Mist. Smells really good. And the Method laundry detergent, which is fresh air. I did put in a small Walmart order yesterday, so I did get one of my creamers, so I just got 2 from Target today. I got a pack of chicken breasts for $13.34. Mrs. Meyer Christmas scents were on sale or clearance or whatever, so I grabbed 2 of the gingerbread because I absolutely love the scent. And then I found this on clearance. It's the Fabuloso, and it's the fresh winter mint. So I figured I could use this when I use my Tynaco mop plus vacuum. My husband got a pillow somewhere. I don't know where that went. So I got my wee strawberry yogurts. My husband picked out this oven roasted turkey breast, thin slice, and the honey and maple. Got some Fairlife. This is my husband's choice as well. And then he also picked out the Khalifa Farms Protein Almond Latte Vanilla. These suckers were such a good deal. So if you have a Target near you, we had this ham about a week ago, and it was really good. So I thought I was getting it for $7.17, but it actually was half off of that. So they were like $3 each. So normally the price was $14.33, but you know, for $7, I was like, oh, okay. So we're just going to freeze these. This one is bigger than this one, or was it the other way around? Oh, the other way around. But yeah, so got 2 of these for $3 something each. Got my dip, 4 avocados that are not ripe yet. 2 things of Q-tips. One goes upstairs, one's on the main floor. Got a bag of cotton balls, panty liners, and some Always. We switched now to the Flex foam. I don't know. If you know, you know, girls. Got 2-pack Colgate. This is what my husband uses. And this is the deodorant that he picked out. I got 3 of the pimple patches, the Real Beauty. I picked out these clips for my hair. Hubby picked out a new toothbrush, Oral-B. I got 2 cans of golden corn because I think we had more. I got stuff to make chili. Got the dark chocolatey peanut butter bars, just 6 of them. Freezer bags. I picked out this Odell clarifying shampoo because we are completely out. 2 things of scented disinfectant wipes, the lemon scent, 4 cans of French style green beans. Got some candy. This one's for Kayla, and this one is for me. Like, they already have their Valentine's Day stuff out. So I did not get anything. Pretty proud of myself, but like I'm not a big Valentine's Day person. So got some entertainment crackers and some Chex Mix. So all of that was $3.32. So I do need to put my orders together for Walmart and Sam's Club. Like I said, the car was kind of like iffy. I think, I don't know if you're car people, but my nephew is a car person. He works at a dealership, Hyundai, and he was talking to his people, and they were saying that my Journey, I have a 2020 Dodge Journey, and I guess people have been getting their trans flushes at 30,000 miles when manufacturally it says 100,000. So it just tells you something. And my car's at 48. So we're hoping that it's that. And I'm going to get an oil change. And it also could be like a relay. So we're hoping it's just not something that's expensive like a transmission, because that would suck. So anyways, stay tuned for my hauls. Like I said, just Walmart and Sam's Club. I'm hoping they will be less than my Target. Okay, I am here with my Walmart pickup order. It took me, I don't know how long to wait for it. They were delayed, and then I think me and the girls were sitting in the car for at least 30 minutes or so. So they had a lot that was not in stock. They didn't have the shrimp I wanted, ground beef, one of Connor's stacks, none of the pretzels I wanted, some vegetable steam in a bag thing. I forget what else, but yeah, so I have to go to Meijer. So anywho, it was $143 and some change. They charged me $200. So that'll show you like how much was not in stock. So I got a bag of sweet potatoes, cheddar broccoli, rice-a-roni, just one of them. I got 2 bags of the Rouse Penne Regatta, Summer's Eve wipes. I got some sponges. I used my last one. Get a small thing of Charmin. I didn't feel like getting just like the whole big thing from Sam's because we still had some, and I just didn't want to deal with like a big package like that, and I don't have the storage for it. So I'm almost out of the sauce scrub bleach, so I picked up some flushable wipes, 5 of them. Kayla needed her multivitamins, and she didn't like all the flavors that were in the other one. So granted, we would have preferred her to have the omega-3 ones, but she didn't like it. And so this one's strawberry, and hopefully she will like that much better. I did pick up 2 Neutrogena daily cleansers. It has been months since I bought any. I mean months, probably like 6 months. So one goes down here, and then the other one will go in the shower. So then I got 2 of my son's stacks. Like I said, they were missing the one. Got oyster crackers because I'm going to make crock pot chili. Some zucchini and squash, and at least this time they look decent. 2 boxes of the garlic Texas toast, a small bag of classic romaine salad. I got Caitlin Better Goods crackers. I did not mean to get such a small box of Cheerios because I've ordered before, so I figured it would be the same size, but she actually still has some, and so it's not that big of a deal. And I just noticed it's a limited edition with heart shapes, so that's cute. Got a package of salami and then some more cheddar cheese, to have on crackers for a snack. 2 bags of the Popcorners white cheddar. I got Quaker white cheddar rice cakes for me, heavy whipping cream, a loaf of Hawaiian bread. That's what the other thing was. They didn't have the Italian bread that I wanted. Dozen eggs. I got a bunch of bananas back there, and I do see we have yellow bananas, but mine are kind of green, so that's perfect. I got 6 or 7. Oh, I just did 6, 7. Bunches of broccoli, 3 peppers for 2 separate meals. And I think that is it. So I am going to put this away super quick, keep charging my phone, and I have to pick up my Sam's Club order. So normally I would not be doing this on a Sunday, but it was a busy weekend. So stay tuned for that Sam's Club haul. All right, I am here with my Sam's pickup. All the pickups just took forever today. I spent $123 and some change. So I got 2 boxes of Kayla's Little Bites, the chocolate chip muffins. I was almost out of allergy pills, so I ended up getting the 2-pack. a thing of coffee. All the ones that we bought months ago, we finally used. I had like really good deals on them. I think this was 20, it was like $5 off. So, got the Just Bare chicken strips. Now I have even more bananas, but that's okay, guys. I'm actually starting like a healthy lifestyle thing, so I will be eating healthier. So it's okay. We will get through these bananas. I think I have one dishwasher pod left, so I can't even remember the last time I bought them, but I got a 105 count one, so this will last me quite a bit. I got expensive strawberries. These were $6 for the pack, but they actually look pretty decent. So I would love to have some with my Cheerios tomorrow morning. Got some red grapes. They did not have any green. And then, oh, I got Kerrygold butter. And then I got this oven roasted potatoes. We're actually having bacon cheeseburgers tonight, and we didn't get fries. So I'm going to make this instead. And I do have smiley fries, so I'll make a few of those. And yeah, so that completes my haul. So I will put the total right around here. Thank you so much for watching my grocery hauls for these 2 weeks, and I will see you guys in upcoming videos. Bye!